We'll guide you through how to knife tool for text in CorelDRAW. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because the knife tool in CorelDRAW helps create creative text effects for logos, posters, banners, and social media designs. To use the knife tool for text in CorelDRAW, first open the CorelDRAW application on your computer and wait for the welcome screen to appear. After the program opens, choose the New Document option to create a fresh workspace for your design project. Next, select the A4 template so the page size matches a standard document layout. After choosing the template, set the color mode to RGB to make sure your colors display correctly on digital screens. When the document opens completely, move to the toolbar on the left side of the screen where all the main design tools are located. From this toolbar, choose the text tool and click anywhere on the page. Type the text you need and make sure the wording is complete before moving to the next step. Once your text has been fully written, return to the toolbar again and search for the crop tool. Press the crop tool or double-click on it to open additional cutting options. From the expanded tool list, choose the knife tool. After selecting the knife tool, click on your text object to prepare it for editing. Carefully drag the knife tool across the text in the exact area where you want the cut to appear. Make sure the cutting line passes clearly through the letters so the separation is visible. After drawing the cutting line, select the text again and confirm that the text has been completely cut into separate parts. You can move the pieces slightly to check whether the cut was successful. Finally, the text is fully cut, and you can continue editing, coloring, or arranging the separated text pieces in your CorelDRAW project. After finishing the cutting process, you can adjust each separated section by changing its position, size, or color according to your design needs. If the cut does not look correct, use the undo command and repeat the knife tool process carefully. Continue practicing with text styles and cutting angles to improve skills in CorelDRAW. When you are satisfied with the result, save your document to avoid losing changes made during the project.